Hi, so for this craft you will need a pillar candle and a pretty napkin and a hairdryer. So we're going to start by cutting the pillar. Sorry it's not a new candle, but this is just to show you, so I'm going to cut that much off. Just measure it along your candle. Nice strip. You could cut round the individual butterflies if you wanted to. I'm going to put the whole print on it. This is so cheap and effective. These candles are only like £1 from the pound shop or the dollar store if you live in the United States. So go up to there, just to overlap it a little bit. Then you're going to get your hairdryer. So let's start on the ugly bit. Full heat, and the wax will melt the napkin onto it. I've tried it before as well with a photo I printed off onto paper, but because the paper's quite thick, it did take quite a while. So I've just grabbed my oven glove because it does get quite hot. When you've stuck it all the way around, just go over it with the high heat. Make sure it melts it properly. And there you are, you have a lovely bright candle. Thanks for watching. For this DIY you'll need an empty bottle, preferably the one that you're going to recycle, not that you've just bought it to make this, and a pair of scissors and some nail varnish, nail polish. Whoa, ooh, camera nearly fell down. So I'm going to use some red glitter on, so I'm going to cut the bottle in half. It's quite handy, it's got the markings on them, so I'm going to do it this wide. Do it however wide you want. You can do thin little bangles or thicker ones. Alright. You could either do two and make them into hoop earrings. Right, so I'm just going to paint that with the nail varnish. And when you've painted it all the way around, you can take it to the iron, which I'll show you in the next step. Then once you've painted it the colour you want, mine's red with glitter, put down some greaseproof paper and one on top, and then get your iron to the hottest setting and push down. Try and get it as even as possible. And it sort of starts to curl inside. Just going to use the other side now. Okay, so today I'm going to be making these gorgeous gold coasters from leftover wrapping paper. And you'll just need some super glue, that's all you'll need. So it's great to recycle the wrapping paper. So turn it round with the... So what you can do with your leftover wrapping paper is cut long strips about 2 inches wide, and then just fold very narrowly or roll, fold them into long strips like so. Once you at the end glue that shut. So once you've rolled it, stick some glue on the end. Just stick it down. And then you can start rolling it up. Start very small. I could have maybe rolled this a bit better, but it's been very flat. If I'd rolled it a bit tighter, it might would have stuck a bit better. Yeah. Stick some glue along the way so it doesn't unroll. It's more like a flat pancake. You can probably do a much better job rolling it. It's one bit, so if you just need another few strips of rolled paper. A strip of paper is not going to be enough, so just make a few more rolled up pieces of paper and then just carry on rolling onto it. So keep adding until you're happy with the size. You can also obviously make them even bigger to make placemats. And there you are, gorgeous little coaster. I hope you liked this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it, and hopefully see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.